You do use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, and sometimes you search for fun. But did you know that you can use it to make big money online? Yes, there is a website that pays you to search Google. You can use it on your phone, on your laptop, or your computer. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from your bed, you can do it while eating, you can do it anywhere you want to, as long as you have access to the internet. And if you watch this video until the end, I will explain step by step how to do this so you can start making money right now. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. Now let's dive into the video. First of all, I want you to go to google.com and I want you to type in a keyword MindSumo and press on the search button. So I want you to click on this first link and it's going to take you to the home page of this website, which is MindSumo.com, and that's going to be the website that we will be using, and combine this with Google and then we can make a lot of money online. I want to show you the earning potential of this website. Now take a look at this, $20,000. And over here, and right here, $350. When I scroll down below, there are unlimited opportunities where you can use this Google track and you can make hundreds, if not $1,000 over and over again. All you need is just a simple Google track and you can start making money on this website. MindSumo is a legit website. They have been partnered up with some of the biggest brands online. For example, Johnson & Johnson, Peps, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, all of those famous companies and top brands, they are the customers of MindSumo. So I will show you how to sign up for a free account. Once you go on top of the page, I want you to go and click on this button right here, where you can share your ideas and earn cash. And that's going to take you to this page. And now I want you to click on this button to log in or sign up. Click on this and this is where you can sign up for a free account. Click on this link and then you will be redirected to this page. Just put in your information, your first name, your last name, your location, email address, your password. So for the creativity skills, I recommend you to choose above average. And make sure to click on the terms and conditions. And you can just go and click on sign me up button. So once you log in into your account, you can see there are many different projects and challenges which you can join and make a lot of money online. So on the last section here, you can see there are many different categories. For example, business, engineering, food science, and so on. I want you to focus on this brand new category, which is computer science. Once you click on the link, it's gonna filter out and show you all the projects and challenges about computer science that are going to pay you the highest amount of money. For example, this project right here. As you can see here, $1,600. So all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this link, and then you're gonna come over to this page. As you can see here, they are going to ask you this question. Now you can submit the answer and then you can get paid by doing that. There are so many people who are doing it right now. you can do the exact same thing as well and get paid. Right now, I want you to go back to google.com and I want you to search for this keyword, which is Google Docs. Click on this link and it will bring you to this page where you have to click on this one. Now you can start a new document on this page. Go on and click on this blank page. It's gonna take you to this page where you can start typing your answers on this Google document. Then you can submit this one and you can make money online. As you can see here, there are 90 submissions right now. And don't worry, this is going to be a simple method and I want you to keep watching. So right now, I want you to go back to MindSumo.com and I want you to highlight this question right here. And then we're gonna go back to Google and paste it right here. Google will help you find the answers to this question. For example, this website right here, we can go ahead and click on this link and that's going to take us to this page. This is where people post different questions and answers and hopefully we can find a good answer to this question so that we can submit and make money online. For example, this person right here wrote a good answer that we can use. Even gave us the bullet point answers. So all you have to do is go ahead and highlight this right here. And we can just copy and go back to our Google Docs and then we're gonna paste our answer right here. So now when we go back to Google, we're gonna look for different answers that we can actually combine and then we can submit and make money. And you can do this over and over again. And you can submit that file and start making money online. Now I want to give you a bonus tip. Make sure you change the title of this Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge. Then you want to put in the title of the question. So guys, go ahead and use this method and start making money online from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. This method is completely free and you do not need any experience. So that's pretty much it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you gained any value from the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.